Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be all about the Bath & Body Works semi-annual sale, and this is a haul I have done from it. I have been a couple times already to Bath & Body Works and purchased some things that I didn't really need, but I wanted. I definitely did have to hold back a little bit and calm myself down because I don't need everything, even though I think I do. I definitely don't, and I definitely had to stop myself from buying a few different things, but I did purchase some, and then they had that like 10 off 40 coupon that was going around, so I definitely did use that. So anyway, let's just talk about the things I got. I do want to tell you how much I got them for, just in case that's helpful, like for a reference or something. So first we're going to start off with soaps, just because they're right here, and I'm obsessed with Bath & Body Works soaps. First off, I got this one, which is the Vanilla Coconut Scent. Oh, so incredible. This is actually by White Barn. They have this brand within Bath & Body Works, and I'm not really sure. I don't know, everything is like Bath & Body Works, except then they have like White Barn. So they have like White Barn candles, scents, stuff like that. So anyway, this is the White Barn Vanilla Coconut, and it's their gentle foaming hand soap with essential oils. When I tell you that this smells incredible, it smells incredible. I am completely obsessed with vanilla and coconut, and when you put them together, you mix it all together and you know that it's the best of both worlds. That was really cheesy. But I mean, honestly, like vanilla and coconut are two of my favorite scents. And then you put them together and I'm just floored. I'm blown away. I'm done. This is my scent forever. I love anything coconut. Coconut is my favorite, and you will see that. So anyway, I didn't tell you how much this was, but their soaps were on sale for $3 when I purchased them, so this was $3. And then I did purchase this one. This one is the Boardwalk Vanilla Cone Deep Cleansing Hand Soap with sea minerals, and this is what this one looks like. It's not the foaming one. It's like the one that has like a little bit of a bead in there. And so the notes on this one are marshmallow fluff, vanilla bean, and creamy caramel. Again, I love anything with vanilla in it, and this has vanilla in it. And it also has marshmallow, which I really love the smell of marshmallow. Also, if you can hear what's going on outside, my dad is mowing. I can't control it. Sorry. But yeah, this one smells really, really good, and yeah, $3. And then this one. Oh my gosh. Okay, so Bath & Body Works just came out with a candle that's called Blueberry Pie. Smells incredible. It was not on sale. It was still $24.50, and me being super frugal, I'm not going to pay $24 for a candle. I always buy my candles at Bath & Body Works when they're on sale because I love a good deal, and I'm not going to pay $25 for a candle. Maybe in the future when I'm making real money, but like right now, never. No, won't do it. So I did find this hand soap, and this is the Blueberry Crumble hand soap, and this is the foaming one as well. This smells like that candle, but like not the same thing. They smell very similar. They are a tad different, but like I couldn't have the candle, so I got the soap. That's basically what I'm trying to say, and I'm trying to say it smells really good. And if you're curious on this, the notes are fresh blueberries, brown sugar glaze, and a dash of cinnamon, and let me tell you, it smells incredible. It smells just like a blueberry pie, and it makes me hungry, but it's really good. It smells incredible. I would love for my room to smell like this, but maybe another time. When they put it on sale, you know I will get that candle. Okay, so moving on, there were 50% off items that were going at Bath & Body Works, and then there were 75% off items. I'm gonna start with the 50% off items. So like I said, I am obsessed with anything coconut. Like, I love everything coconut. Pretty much. Like, if it has coconut in it, I will buy it. Like, that's how bad it is. So this one is actually one of my favorite scents. I got this earlier as a body mist, and I fell in love with it, but I didn't need more like body products, and like I wasn't gonna pay full price for them, and you know, all that stuff. But then they put these on sale. These were 50% off, so I had to buy them. This is the Bali Black Coconut Sand Scent. Oh my gosh, it smells incredible, and I had to buy two. This is the Ultra Shea body cream. I love their body creams. I like the ones that are in the tub more, but they didn't have any of those this time, and I don't know why, because like those are my favorite. But anyway, so I bought two, and the fragrance notes on these are coconut milk, tonka bean, jasmine, sea salt musk, and black sand. And oh my gosh, when I tell you it smells incredible, it smells incredible. Like, so good. So these were originally $13.50, and they were on sale for $6.50, something along those lines. So just take half off. I can't do math, okay? So it'd be like $6.25, I think. Did I do that right? No, $6.75. Really, honestly, did not need more. I really didn't. but I did, if that makes any sense. So in the same scent, I did decide to get a shower gel in the Bali Black Coconut Sands, just because I love their shower gels, and I have a lot of ones that are like the fall and winter time scents, but I didn't have any that were summer, and so I wanted to get this one just because it smells so good. So this was originally $12.50, so it was on sale for like $6.25, and it's incredible. Like, that's all I can say. Again, the scent is incredible and so good. This is a new thing for Bath & Body Works. They came out this year with protective hair perfumes that have UV absorber and aloe. So I did decide to go ahead and get it in this scent, the Bali Black Coconut Sands. I can't say that. And these were half off, so originally this was $16.50, so it was $8.25, and yes, it's kind of expensive, and yes, it's like just a hair mist, but like, I really wanted to try one, you know? And what better scent to get it in than this one? I like it so far. It stays in my hair pretty long. Like, I sprayed it this morning, and I can still kind of smell it. So then the last thing that I did get that was in the half off section was this, and this is from White Barn as well. I didn't know that they made body products in the White Barn stuff. I thought it was just hand soaps and candles, but apparently they have lotion too, because I bought one. So this is in the scent Sweet Almond and Honey. I wasn't going to get this one. It smells really good. I wasn't going to get it because like money, you know, but Chris convinced me to, and I was like, okay, fine, because he really liked the smell. So anyway, like it says, it just smells like sweet almonds and honey, but the fragrance notes are honey blossom, white jasmine, and sweet cream. Smells incredible. Smells so good, like really. Like, so good. And Bath & Body Works does change up their sale literally every single day, so that's what stresses me out about it, is because every single day you don't know what you're missing. So like, I want to go every day to see if there are like new things that they put out, or like new sales, or like old candles that are like $5 or something, but I have to stop myself because it could be bad. It already is bad. I have a problem. I have a serious problem. So then I did get a few items that were 75% off. So I really love the scent At the Beach, and I was really hoping that they had more of their fragrance mists and stuff like that on the sale, because I'm running out of the one that I already have and I wanted another one, but they didn't, and that's fine. But I did end up purchasing one of the sea salt hair mists that has coconut oil in it. And it's in the scent At the Beach. I have used this one as well. I really love it. I love the smell. It's just so clean and fresh, and just like reminds me of the beach. Surpriser. Shocking, I know. So this one ended up being $3.18, which is incredible because it's normally $16.50. The notes on this one are white frangipani, I said that wrong, blossoms, toasted coconut, you know it's my favorite, bergamot water, sea salt breeze, and sun-kissed musk, and it smells so good. I really love this scent. I also purchased this. This is the Sand and Sea Salt Body Scrub, again with coconut oil. I was really interested in these because I like to exfoliate in the shower, and this one's like the scent that I love, and it's a body exfoliator, and it was 75% off, so like I kind of had to, you know, like I was forced. This one ended up being $3.17. Again, I just really wanted to try this just because it's one of my favorite scents, and I've never tried an exfoliator or a body scrub from Bath & Body Works before, so I was interested in trying out this one, so I did purchase it. I did purchase this. This is the Shea Coconut. Again, obsessed with anything coconut. This is the Richly Nourishing Body Scrub with cocoa butter, shea butter, and coconut oil. So this is what this one looks like. I've seen this a few times before at Bath & Body Works, but I never like ventured over just because it was never on sale and I didn't want to smell it and fall in love or whatever. So I guess the notes on this are literally just cocoa butter, shea butter, and coconut oil, because it doesn't have anything on the back. It just says it's the ultimate collection of skin-loving products that will richly nourish your body and will leave it feeling soft and conditioned. So anyway, this smells incredible, so good. This was 75% off as well and ended up being like $3.17. And this one actually has 8 fluid ounces, whereas the At the Beach one has like 6.6 fluid ounces. So this one's a little bit bigger, but for the same price. And then I did end up getting this. This is in the same line. So this is the Shea Honey Nourishing Honey Hair Mask, and this has coconut butter, shea butter, and pure honey. So this ended up being $2. This was $2, guys. I had to purchase it, obviously. So it says that it's a soothing honey nourishing hair mask infused with pure honey to leave your hair feeling soft and silky, and it is a conditioning hair treatment. So basically, in the shower, you massage it into your wet hair. After you shampoo, leave it in for 5 minutes. then rinse out for healthier looking hair, and I'm really excited to try this one. It smells really good, definitely smells like honey. I did get a few candles because I can't hold myself back, and I'm addicted to Bath & Body Works candles. They were half off during the sale, except over the weekend, over this past weekend, they did have candle weekend where all candles were not all, where select candles were $10.50, and so let me show you. So I did get this candle. This one was during the half off sale, so this one was $12.50, but this is the scent Copper Coconut, and this is from White Barn again. This just smells so good. Again, anything with coconut I'm a sucker for, so of course I had to purchase this one. The notes on this one are raw coconut, sea salted shells, and soft amber with essential oils, and this just smells so clean and refreshing and relaxing and just so good. And then the rest of the candles that I did get were during the $10.50 sale. So the first candle that I did get during the $10.50 sale was this one, which is vanilla coconut, as it would come to no surprise. So I did purchase the soap first, had been using it for a couple days, and then I fell in love, so I had to go purchase the candle. I actually didn't know that they made it in a candle, but then when I saw it I was like, I have to have that. I did look for body care everywhere, but I didn't see any, so I did just get the candle. And again, the notes on this are Madagascar vanilla, toasted coconut, creamy sandalwood with essential oils, and let me tell you, this is heaven in a candle. Like, literally smells so good. Like, you need this candle in your life if you are a coconut lover. You will not regret it. It smells so good. And then the next two scents that I did get were winter candles because they were on sale, and I saw that they had a few of them left, so I did want to snag them while they were on sale. And so these were again $10.50. So the first one I did get was Cinnamon Caramel Swirl. This was one that I fell in love with this past winter. I bought one and I went through it so quickly. It was insane. It smells like a cinnamon roll, which Cinnamon Caramel Swirl makes sense. So the notes on this one are cinnamon, orange essential oils with notes of caramel, vanilla, and maple sugar, and oh my gosh, it smells so good. It definitely reminds me of Christmas time, and just like, we eat cinnamon rolls every Christmas morning, so this is honestly, it reminds me of Christmas morning, and I love it so much. I love cinnamon too, and so in this candle it just smells perfect. And then I did get this one as well for $10.50. This is White Mint Latte, and this is also like a winter candle. I actually didn't purchase this one last season, but my sister did, and she burned it all the time, and it smelled so good that I had to have it. And then by the time I wanted it, they didn't have it last year, so I saw one. There was one, I think, in the store, and I got it. I snagged it. Hannah found it. So the notes on this are fresh peppermint, white chocolate, and whipped milk. And normally I do not like peppermint scents at all, but this one, there's just something different about this one. It just smells, you know, because it's not just like peppermint, it's white mint latte, and so it smells like a latte, but it also smells like peppermint. It smells good. Like, I wish you could smell it. Oh, it smells good. You know what it smells like? It just smells like an Andes mint. Have you ever had one of those? Like, when you go to Olive Garden, that's what they give you. I know you can eat them anywhere, but like, I associate Olive Garden with those mints because I always eat them there and I love them. So this is what this honestly reminds me of, or like a Thin Mint from Girl Scouts. Either one of those. Alright guys, so that was everything for today's haul. I hope you guys did enjoy. If you picked anything up from the sale, let me know down below. Let me know what your favorite items are. Let me know what I should be on the lookout for, what I should purchase next. So again, thank you guys so much for watching this video. It means the world to me. I cannot thank you enough for your love and support. And I hope you guys are having a blessed day or night wherever you are, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye! That's really loud. Like, I think it's getting quieter, and then it doesn't.